grounds guys.
Did you call?
Yeah.
So he pointed a gun at you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So walk us through what happened.
So I'm right here, fixing this right here, and then I see some feet underneath the truck over here.
Okay.
And then I come this way with the car, right where my boss is at. I approach him like this far, and he says, "Look like this. Get away from me. Get away from me." And he started saying some gang names.
So he
went like this.
He showed his gun.
Yeah.
Was it like that?
No, he went like this.
Okay. So
put it
he
back,
didn't,
that's when I
he
stepped
didn't
back.
point it at you. He displayed it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he said some what?
He said some gang or something like that.
Do you remember what it was? Did he say like?
I just said, "Go ahead, just go ahead and leave."
He was trying to get in the gray car right here. Now, did he? Do you remember his description at all? Like physical description?
Yeah, he's about like 5'8".
5'8".
Hispanic, dark Hispanic, tattoos on his face.
Tattoos on his face.
Yeah, I couldn't see because they were really, made tattoos. They were really
Shaved head.
Shaved head, blue sweater, black faded like denim jeans.